Okay, class. Here we are back again. We're going to pick up where we left off. So, July 10th, now we're on July 15th. So, on the 15th, the company completed work for customer on credit in the amount of 2,400. So, on credit, that means that the customer did not pay us yet, but the company still earned revenue. Okay, so we will record revenue of 2,400. And to show that the company is owed money, its accounts receivable goes up. So this accounts receivable account is an asset. It's a claim to a payment. So it's something that the company owns. It owns that claim to a payment. Now on the 17th, the company purchased 1,920 of office supplies on credit. So that also means, of course, office supplies are going to increase by 1,920, but the company's obligation to pay for that also increases. So we're going to increase accounts payable by 1,920. On the 23rd, the company paid 3,800 cash for the office equipment purchased on July 10. So you might want to look back, okay? That account payable is what's going to be paid off. So the company is going to reduce its cash balance because it's making a payment by 3,800, and at the same time it will reduce what it owes, its accounts payable, by 1,000 or by 3,800. Okay, so you still have that balancing effect. Now on the 25th, the company billed a customer 5,000 for work completed. The balance is due in 30 days. Okay. So again, if the company completes work, it has earned the revenue. So it's going to record that increase to revenue, but it has not been paid yet. So it needs to show that it is owed 5,000. So there's an increase to the accounts receivable. That's the amount that the company is owed by its customers. Okay. 28. The company receives 2,400 cash for the work completed on July 15th. So this is July 15th here. The company is still owed 2,400. Now they will receive it. Okay, so if they collect cash, cash will go up by 2,400, and the account receivable, which is showing how much the company is owed, specifically the 2,400, needs to go away because it's no longer owed to the company. So we're going to subtract that from accounts receivable. All things held constant, this is just a wash to the left side of the equation, so nothing has to be done on the right side. On the 30th, the company pays an assistant salary of 1,260 cash for this month. So the word paid always means that cash is decreasing. So first of all, we can take care of that. 1,260 decrease the cash. Okay? And then what you have over here is a negative effect on the equity section. So expenses reduce equity. You have a 1,260 reduction for salary expense. All right. Two more. On the 31st, the company paid 260 cash for this month's utility bill. Again, a paid verb in there. So 260 paid means that cash is reduced. Okay. And in this case, you have a decreasing effect. Sorry, I need to move the last one and line it up with. Okay, 260 decreasing effect for utility expense. Okay, and then final entry, 31st, the company paid 1,200 cash for dividends. So again, paid, reduced cash, 1,200, and dividends are actually being increased, but because dividends and expenses have a decreasing effect on equity, we show them as negatives when they do increase. Okay, I'll be back with the final